So that's a major second because it's a half step. B to A is a whole step, so that's a major second. That's a major second because it's a whole step. G to E, the key of E is supposed to be a G sharp. It's not. It's been smashed, so it's a minor third. E to F is a half step, so it's a minor second. F to A. A is in the key because you only have a B flat, so major third. Half step again, major second. Whole step. Major second for another whole step. F to E is a half step. E to C, it's kind of like a little indication what that is. Major third, because C and E are in the same key. C to E, major third, another whole step, major second. D to F, in the key of D, there's supposed to be an F sharp. It's not, so that's a minor third. Half step again for a minor second. E to G is supposed to be having a G sharp in it. It's not, so it's a major third. G to F, that's a fourth. And since there's the same accidental, it's P4. So major third, C to E. Another whole step. Key of B, there's supposed to be a D sharp. It's a minor third. And then a minor second for a half step. All right, perfect fifth, same notes. No accidental. These are all perfect ones. Oh, sorry, perfect fourth there. Minor second. Minor second. Down the whole step to D. Major second. D to A. No accidentals on them, so they're the same accidental, so perfect fifth. A to C, it's supposed to be a C sharp there, but it's not. It's been smashed, so it's a minor third. Major second was a whole step. Another major second, a whole step. Same thing as this one was, minor third. Up a whole step, major second. Key of G, and B is major third. Because they're in the key. Major second. A to D, perfect fourth. Same accidental, more P1s. D to C is a major second. And there's that same one again that was up there. The P1, major second, whole steps. Minor second because it's half step. Major third because C to E, they're in the key. P1, major second again. D to A, perfect fifth because they're in the same accidental, which they don't have any. Major second, because they're whole steps. Half step, whole step, and whole step. Okay, I'm just going to go up and not go down. It's hard to, I've got to explain it in person, and obviously we can't. So essentially if you're going to go down is you kind of are going through like having to do binomials, for example, where you're having to decide whether or not it fits what it's going to be. I'm just going to do ups. I'll put the notes for down, but I mean, you can look at the answers on the downs, but I'm just going to do ups. So I need to go up 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now, is that in the key? In the key of E, is there a D sharp or D natural? Well, the key of E is supposed to be a D sharp to make it major. All right, I need a major second, so it's basically a whole step. So it's D sharp. Perfect fifth. Here's the fifth. And remember, they have to be the same accidental. So I'll make them the same accidental. Augmented fourth. So let's make a fourth. The key of C, there is an F. So I need to augment it. I need to expand it. So I'll raise this. Major third. So it has to be in the key. So in the key of A, there's supposed to be a C sharp. Sorry. Half step. So that's a whole step. I need to make it a half step. All right, I need a perfect fourth. So there's your fourth. Should be the same accidental. There's your fourth. You do a quick check in the key of D flat. Is there supposed to be a G flat? There is. All right, diminished fifth. There's your fifth. It's perfect because they're both same accidental. And in the key of F, there is a C. I need to smash this. So I need to flat it. And last one, up a third. All right, in the key of A flat, is there a C? Yeah, there's a C. C is not done. So that's major. I need to smash it. So I need to flat it and make it minor. All right, I'm just going to do the ups again. All right, so I need to go up a 5. Is that perfect? Yep, same accidental. That's in. Okay, I need to go up 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. In the key of E flat, is there a D natural? Yeah, there is. So that means that's a major that's a major seventh. So I need to make it minor. So I need to smash it. All right. Perfect fourth. G to A. Make sure they're the same accidental. There's your perfect fourth. Major third. A is in the key of F, so you don't have to do anything. I need a minor second, so that's a half step, D to E, and that's a whole step. So we need to smash it to make it a half step. There you go. Need a sixth. All right, so I go up a sixth. In the key of D, there is a B. You know, the only thing that's supposed to be, I mean, there's F sharp and C sharp, but there's B. Well, that's major. Well, I need to make it minor. I need to smash it. So make it flat. Major second needs to be a whole step, so I have to make this an A flat. Look at the keyboard. All right. Key of B flat, there is a D natural. So that's a major third. I need to make it a minor third. Go down a half step. Smash it. And the last one here, need to be a major 6. The key of E, there's supposed to be a C sharp, and there's your major 6.